Hello and welcome to cake. Today I'm making a delicious no-bake Oreo ice box cake. Let's jump over to the ingredients. For this recipe I use 55 Oreos split between 45 and 10, 85 grams of melted butter, that's 6 tablespoons, about 12.3 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 17.5 ounces of mascarpone, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2 packages of instant pudding, 3 cups of heavy cream, half a cup of milk, and I'm preparing this in a cake pan that's about 9 by 13 inches. I begin by preparing the base. So for the base I'm using 45 crumbled Oreos including the filling, and I've combined that with the melted butter and I'm pressing it down into my cake pan and then putting this in the fridge for about 10 minutes while preparing the first layer. For the first layer I'm going to beat the mascarpone and cream cheese together until creamy. To lighten the texture of this, I'm going to fold in some heavy cream. So I'm beating about 1 cup of heavy cream with 1 cup of powdered sugar. And I'm just going to whip this until it reaches the soft peak stage. This serves as the first and final layer of the cake. So for the first run, I'm just going to use about 2/3 of this entire creamy mixture and spread that on top of the crumbled Oreos. I'm going to smooth this out and then place it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to prepare my chocolate pudding. The package calls for milk, but instead of milk, I'm using heavy cream to give me a thicker or firmer consistency. And I'm using about 2 cups, a little less than 2 cups of heavy cream with 2 packages of instant pudding. And I'm using a chocolate flavor. To make sure that it doesn't get too firm, at this stage, I'm going to add about 100 milliliters of milk, that's half a cup. And I'm just going to beat this with my hand mixer now until I get the beautiful creamy consistency that I'm looking for. Oh my God, this looks so delicious. Now I'm going to distribute all of this instant pudding onto that first layer that we had just prepared. I'm going to smooth it out and then also place this in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Now the remaining portion of that cream cheese mascarpone mixture is going to be coming on top of this chocolate layer, and I'm just going to smooth this out as well. Finally, I've kept 10 Oreos to the side. These I'm just going to crumble without the filling and distribute them on top of the cake as decoration and just a little bit more crunch. And that's it, I'm almost done. This now has to go into the fridge for at least 4 hours, and about half an hour before serving, I'm going to place it in the freezer just to make sure that I can cut really clean lines through this. And that's what it looks like after it comes out of the freezer. It's perfect. It's creamy, it's rich, it's chocolatey, and it's cold, so it's perfect for the summer months. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.